Get ready to level up your gaming experience. In this video, dive deep into the world of PC graphics settings and uncover the magic behind texture and filtering. You'll discover how these crucial settings can transform your favorite games into visual masterpieces. These are the most important PC graphics settings for texture and filtering.
And this is nerdsection.com.
Anisotropic filtering, also called AF, is a graphics setting that significantly enhances the quality of textures in video games and other 3D applications. It works by improving the clarity and sharpness of textures that are viewed at oblique angles or from a distance, thereby reducing the visual distortion known as texture aliasing. In most games, you'll typically find AF options ranging from 2x to 16x or even higher. The number indicates the level of filtering applied to textures. Higher values result in crisper textures, especially noticeable on surfaces viewed at angles or far away. However, increasing AF levels also puts more strain on your GPU, impacting performance. For low-end PCs, where maintaining smooth frame rates is crucial, it's advisable to start with lower AF settings like 2x or 4x. This strikes a balance between visual quality and performance, ensuring the game remains playable without significant drops in frame rates. On high-end PCs equipped with powerful GPUs, you can comfortably maximize AF settings to 8x, 16x, or beyond. This allows you to enjoy the highest texture quality possible without worrying about performance issues. High AF settings showcase the game's textures at their best, making environments appear more detailed and realistic. Ultimately, the choice of anisotropic filtering setting depends on your PC's hardware capabilities and personal preference for visual fidelity versus performance. Experimenting with different settings will help you find the right balance for your gaming experience. Anti-aliasing in PC graphics is a crucial setting that enhances visual quality by reducing jagged edges or jaggies in images. It works by smoothing out these edges, creating a more polished and realistic appearance in games and applications. Depending on your system's capability, you'll encounter several options for anti-aliasing. FXAA and SMAA are less demanding methods that use post-processing to smooth edges, suitable for lower-end PCs since they have minimal impact on performance. MSAA and SSAA, on the other hand, provide higher quality but are more resource-intensive, sampling multiple points per pixel to achieve smoother edges. These are ideal for high-end PCs with powerful GPUs that can handle the increased workload. For low-end PCs, opting for FXAA or SMAA is recommended. These methods provide noticeable improvement in visual quality without significant performance hits. They are efficient and suitable for maintaining smooth gameplay on less powerful hardware. If you're fortunate to own a high-end PC, consider using MSAA or SSAA for superior visual fidelity. These methods deliver crisp, clean edges with minimal aliasing artifacts, leveraging the extra processing power available. This enhances immersion in games and ensures visuals are rendered at their best. In conclusion, choosing the right anti-aliasing setting involves balancing visual quality with PC performance. Understanding your hardware's capabilities allows you to optimize this setting accordingly, ensuring an enjoyable gaming or graphical experience tailored to your system's strengths. Alright, when you see the texture quality setting in your PC games, it's all about how detailed and sharp textures appear in the game world. Typical options you might encounter include low, medium, high, and ultra. Here's the deal, the higher you crank up the texture quality, the more detailed and crisp textures will look on objects, characters, and environments. However, this comes at a cost. Higher texture quality demands more VRAM from your graphics card. For low-end PCs, where every bit of performance matters, sticking to lower texture quality settings is wise. It eases the strain on your GPU and ensures smoother gameplay without sacrificing too much visual fidelity. Now, for you lucky folks with high-end rigs, go wild with those ultra settings. Your beefy graphics card can handle the extra load, giving you breathtakingly detailed textures that make the game world feel incredibly immersive. So whether you're tweaking your settings for maximum performance or eye-popping visuals, keep in mind how texture quality can impact your gaming experience on different types of PCs. When evaluating the impact on PC performance, increasing anti-aliasing generally puts the most strain on a system. Anti-aliasing smooths jagged edges in images, which can be computationally intensive, especially at higher settings. Anisotropic filtering, which improves the clarity of textures viewed at oblique angles, is less demanding than anti-aliasing, but still impacts performance. It can be increased without as significant a hit to frame rates. but it's advisable to find a balance that maintains visual clarity without overloading the GPU. Texture quality impacts how detailed the surfaces in the game appear and can vary in its demand on performance based on available VRAM. Increasing texture quality uses more memory, but if the GPU has adequate VRAM, the performance hit may be minimal. On a low-end PC, this setting can often be increased to a moderate level without severe consequences, as long as the system has enough memory to handle it. For someone with a low-end PC, increasing texture quality should be the priority, as it offers a noticeable visual improvement with potentially less performance impact compared to anti-aliasing. Anisotropic filtering can also be adjusted to a reasonable level to improve texture clarity without overly taxing the system. Anti-aliasing should be set to a lower level or turned off to maintain smoother gameplay, given its higher demand on processing power. You've just dived deep into the world of PC graphics settings with our focus on texture and filtering. Understanding these settings can really elevate your gaming and visual experience to the next level. But guess what? We're not stopping there. If you're hungry for more knowledge on how to optimize your PC graphics, click right over here to watch our next video on display and performance graphics settings. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on these game-changing tips.